It's so great to have you here. So great to meet you in person. If you don't mind telling us a little bit about yourself and your company and your role.
All right, thank you. Thank you for having us as well. I'm Alex Mendes. I'm the head of sales of ikuTeam. We work with apps to improve productivity of the teams. And here today, I'm going to show team files, which is used for Confluence and Jira to help teams connect Confluence and Jira to cloud storage such as SharePoint, Google Drive, Box, and Dropbox. So this improves teams' productivity by being able to actually preview and edit files directly from Confluence and Jira in context. So then you build a single source of truth and you ensure you have the latest version always available for you in Confluence and Jira.
Oh, very fascinating. Do you mind showing us a little sneak peek of the top features and then walking us through?
So here I am in my Confluence instance. As you can see with team files installed, it will show here. And here I already have some cloud storage connected. So here I have, for instance, Google Drive and SharePoint. And once you connect to SharePoint, you will be able to navigate into files and folders. So as you were in SharePoint, for instance, so see I'm navigating in my folder structure there. And from here I can also upload files directly to it. So just drag and drop files from my computer directly to SharePoint in this case. And all of this because what users want to do, they want to share those files and folders with the team. So let's take an example here in Confluence, right? So let me go to a page. And right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit this page and add files to it. Okay, so I just come in here, I can do this, team files. You see to bring all the folders I have attached already from the cloud storages. And from here you can start sharing things. So let's take, for example, this one. What I want to do then is I will share some files. So let's say I'll go in here and share, let's say, this Word document and this Excel file, right? I can preview them here to make sure that's what I want to share into my page. And because we're talking about a Confluence page, we can also change the layout. So let's say I'll do this so the files will be open already for the users when they access the app. So that's it. I'll insert it. And while doing that, I can also share a complete folder if I want to. So let me just go here, to files, and share a folder. All right, I'll share this one. I'll insert and update the page. So now, as you can see, we're going to see the preview of those files in Confluence. And by the way, those files are not transferred from SharePoint to Confluence. We just link them. So this way, we ensure you have the latest version, which is stored in SharePoint in this case. So as you can see here, I can then, users will be able to see the files without having to open it or to download it. And if I want to edit, I just come in here. For instance, I'll see I have some options here. I have the file name. I click here. I can then edit the file directly. So let me just do this. Let's create another sheet here. Okay, so now we have two of them. And let me just close. If I refresh the page, it should be updated. But before going there, let's see when I share a folder. As you can see as well, I can navigate into my folder structure directly into Confluence. And if by any chance I still want to see this in SharePoint, just do this and brings me to SharePoint already. So everything in context. I'm seeing this file and those folders in the page I was playing with, right? So let me just get back here. And now it will refresh the files. And you will be able to, so let's see. So we added this one. Remember, created two sheets? So now it's here. So this is for Confluence. Just a quick view of this in Jira. It's exactly the same thing in terms of how you connect things. So how you connect Jira to SharePoint, and then you can go to your issues and start sharing files as well from here. So what I'm going to do. So as you can see, you see this team files model. I'll click here. And then I will connect that same file that we have connected to Confluence. So you see, you can also even integrate both from here. So let's go here, and if I'm not mistaken, this was the file that I have edited. This one here, right? So I can preview it here. Yes, so see, those files will connect. And voila, now we have the file attached here as well. And by the way, the app also, you are able to also edit and preview native attachments from Confluence and Jira. So today, if you have an attachment, you have to download it, update, and then upload it. With Team Files, you are able to preview the file directly there and also edit without having to download and upload. So that's also
very cool.
A great feature. And then just to finish here, that's a brand new feature that we have right now. We're just launching this week, by the way, our Team Files Assistant. Okay, and what it does. Before, let me just get the file name here and what I'm gonna do. So basically, you have our Team Files Assistant. Imagine you have a Confluence page with several files attached to it, and you want to know what that file is about. Okay, so you can come here and ask, for instance, for our assistant to summarize a document. And then she's just asking, what's the file name? I'll just put it here. So it's now analyzing this file. As you can see, it's a big file, a lot of pages here, a lot of graphs and content. So while it's still analyzing, then it will give us a summary of that file. So this is very helpful. Imagine you have several files in your instance as well, and you want to look at a particular document and to understand what is there, you can find it from here. Okay. And so it's to analyze it. As you can see, it's a big file. Let's go here. And it's a brand new feature. We just launched it, and hopefully this will be very useful. So we are following the trend of Atlassian, right? So AI in everything now.
Absolutely.
Let's go. I should have put a shorter document to be summarized. Here we go. So as you can see now, it says an overview of the document, right? It has an introduction, what it's about. So all 66 pages.
Wow.
Summarized here.
That is very, very helpful.
Okay.
Extremely cool. And you said that just launched this week?
Just launched this week. So it's brand new, it's there. So it's a companion to our Team Files. So what we want to do now here is to show people what is it about, and we are very confident that that will be a great asset for teams to improve productivity, which is what we do.
Yeah, no, this was great, and we'll definitely link as well so people can book a demo, start a trial.
Sure.
And then obviously we'll reach out if we get any questions as well.
Definitely, you'll be talking to me or my team, right? So we'll be more than glad to show how to use the app, and we have a lot of more than 8,000 installations already of our app. So we are in the market for 5 years now. So looking forward to talk to you guys and your customers.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. Well, it was so great meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you,
Enjoy the event.
You too.